I have an MVLab character ready to go. In rest position, select the top, open the shader editor, and UV editor. Duplicate the UV map and images nodes. Bring in a mixed color node and attach a wire to its B slot from the logo image node. Slot A is taken by the top. Open your logo in the image node. Attach a wire from the alpha slot to the color node factor slot. Select the UV map node, and in the UV maps menu, select a new one and name it. Now select the new name from the pull-down menu. With the top in edit mode, open the logo in the UV editor. Highlight the front of the top and line it up to your preference. I rendered in cycles.